a fish with a closed mouth, never gets caught. Look around you. Who is the most powerful person in the room? Is it the one shouting the loudest? Is it the one trying to prove how smart they are? No, it is the one sitting in the corner, watching, listening, and saying absolutely nothing. You talk too much. You reveal your plans before they happen. You tell people your secrets just to feel a moment of connection. And then, you wonder why people use your own words against you. Robert Greene, the author of the 48 Laws of Power, wrote law number 4. Always say less than necessary. Why? Because the more you say, the more common you appear. The more you speak, the higher the chance you will say something foolish. Silence is not empty. Silence is a weapon. When you are silent, you make people uncomfortable. Humans are terrified of silence, so they start talking. They start filling the void. And in doing so, they reveal their true intentions. They reveal their weaknesses. And you remain a mystery. Imagine a sniper. Does he run around the battlefield screaming? No. He lies in the shadows, still, silent, invisible. He waits for the perfect moment. And when he finally takes the shot, he never misses. Be the sniper, not the machine gun. Look at Aryan. In a meeting full of noise and arguments, he says nothing. He lets everyone else exhaust their energy. He lets them show their cards. And when the room finally goes quiet, Aryan speaks one sentence, just one. And because his words are rare, they are treated like gold. Everyone listens. Everyone obeys. Understand this brutal truth. Scarcity creates value. If gold was as common as sand, nobody would want it. Your words are your currency. If you spend them on everyone, they lose their value. Stop explaining yourself to people who don't matter. Stop trying to convince people who don't listen. From today, become a ghost. Let them wonder what you are thinking. Let them guess your next move. Confuse them with your silence. And then, shock them with your results. Do not be the fool who speaks to be heard. Be the king who is heard, because he rarely speaks. This is Frames of Existence.